How to use YouTube's copyright system to protect your videos. YouTube has a copyright system in place to help creators protect their videos from unauthorized use. Here are the steps you can take to use YouTube's copyright system to protect your videos. Make sure you own the copyright to the content you're uploading. You can't use YouTube's copyright system to protect content that you don't own the rights to. If you're using content that you don't own, such as music or images, make sure you have the necessary permissions or licenses. Enable YouTube's copyright protection tools. YouTube has several tools that can help you protect your videos from unauthorized use. One of these is Contented, which allows you to claim ownership of your content and set rules for how it can be used. To enable Contented, you'll need to sign up for a YouTube partner account and submit a request to participate in the Contented program. Monitor your videos for unauthorized use. Even if you've enabled YouTube's copyright protection tools, it's still a good idea to regularly check your videos for unauthorized use. If you find that someone has used your content without your permission, you can use YouTube's copyright management tools to report the infringing content and have it removed. Use copyright notices and licensing options. You can also use copyright notices and licensing options to protect your content. Copyright notices can be added to your videos to remind viewers that the content is protected by copyright law. Licensing options, such as the Creative Commons license, allow you to specify how your content can be used and by whom. By following these steps, you can use YouTube's copyright system to help protect your videos from unauthorized use.